Welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Jo Baird. I am from Jo's Crafty Hook. I have a website, www.joscraftyhook.com. If you're interested in checking out my other sites, I will put my link at the bottom of this video. But what we are going to do today, we are going to learn new techniques. Today we're going to do the foundation single crochet. There's foundation half double crochet, and then there's foundation double crochet. So right now we are going to be doing foundation single crochet. So I have my yarn, and these instructional videos will be for left-handers. Right-handed people sometimes can follow along, but I am making these videos because it's hard to find those for left-handed people. So today I'm doing the left-handed foundation single crochet. So you need a slip knot on your hook. Then we are going to chain 2. 1, 2. Now we are going to go into the first chain like a single crochet, wrap the yarn around and pull through, and then your 2 loops on your hook for the single crochet. But since it's foundation single crochet, we're going to chain into the first loop. That creates your foundation chain, and then we are going to go into and make a single crochet. So on one side you have single crochets, and on the other you have your chain. As we do a couple more, you'll be able to see them. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit more, you can see my stitches better. Okay, so next you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook. You're going to find your chain that you just made, and you're going to go into that. So you see like a regular chain, and you go under the chain, and you have the 2 loops there. So you wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. Oops, I did it wrong. Sorry. I'm making a half double. Okay, so you don't wrap your yarn around the hook. That's why. Sorry. So again, you go under the chain, those 2 loops there, you wrap your yarn around and bring it through, and you have the 2 loops on your hook like a single crochet. But again, we're adding the foundation chain to it, so you wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through 1, and then you wrap the yarn around the hook and bring it through 2, completing your single crochet. Okay, again, go under the chain that you just created, wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. Okay, wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through 1 loop. Then wrap your yarn around and bring through 2 loops. Okay. Again, you go under the chain you just made. Wrap your yarn around and bring it through. Wrap your yarn around the hook, bring through 1 loop. Wrap your yarn around the hook and bring through 2 loops. Okay, now you can start seeing those single crochet there. And then on the bottom side, you can see your foundation chain. Okay, so I'll do a couple more. Again, go into the chain you just created, being sure to go under both of those loops. Wrap your yarn around and bring it through. Wrap your yarn, bring through one loop. Wrap your yarn, bring through 2 loops. Again, go under the chain you just created. Wrap your yarn around and bring it through. Wrap your yarn and bring through 1 loop. Wrap your yarn around and bring through 2 loops. Okay, and there you have your foundation single crochet for left-handers. So, thank you for joining me. If you would love to see any stitches, any pattern made, just leave a comment under this video and I will do my best to make it for you. Again, my website will be in the comments sections, so you can check out my designs, you can check out my items in my Etsy shop, and I will provide those links for you as well. So join me next time when I do the foundation half double crochet. Thank you and have a good day.